pardon me while I clean out my purse. On today's video, I'm going to participate in Sunday Dawn's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And whereas typically I would clean out my purse on Friday, I'm swapping out Tuesday for my car and purse day, and Friday is going to be my free day. And as you can hear, I've got laundry going in the background, so please excuse the noise. This video is brought to you by Aprondiva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. It's amazing how much stuff I can get in this bag, and a lot of it tends to be old receipts, masks, Fly Lady Cat calls these little minions that finds their way into our purses. So I'm going to get that sorted out. Oh, look, and there's more. So I've got more in the zipper part. There you go. Everything is out. Here are the keys. Now let's go through this. And one of the things I'm going to say as I'm decluttering, they say start with the dust stuff, like the trash. So obviously I've got a lot of trash, which happens to be receipts that I don't need. Like this movie receipt. That one I need to file. More trash. Kohl's cash, which expired January 1st. Look at here, horseradish sauce from when we went to Arby's. This certainly doesn't belong in my purse. Christmas cards, Audible, checkbook. Lots of receipts. Flash drive that needs to get put away. Lots of pens. Lip pencil. Popcorn. Tissue. That mask has been well used. Chapstick, hand cream. Comb, card holder, grocery receipt, FedEx receipt, I got a lot of postal receipts when I take orders to the post office, bank envelopes, bank receipts, tissue. I'll take this tissue out of there and put it in here. Now there's one package of tissue. Don't need a straw in there. 2 pennies. Now I want to put the things back in here that I am keeping. So here's my COVID card and some other health information. I keep that in my purse. Business cards, I have a little pocket in here that I keep them in. And whereas I could use one lipstick, I don't need more than that. And I could use 2 pens, maybe 3. I'm always looking for a pen, so I'll put that in the zipper part. Both these chapsticks are going back in. The hand lotion, my wallet goes at the very bottom, along with my comb. Keys for my post office box, my lipstick. This doesn't need to be in here, so it can go upstairs.
Take advantage of my time going?
I'm trying to. Tissue, I've got a little pocket over here that I can put it in. Notebook, this doesn't need to be in here right now. Checkbook, these pens can go back in the drawer. This flash drive can go back on the office. And this lip pencil can go back in the makeup stash. I'm going to read this now. Get this put away. Breath mints I like to keep in my purse. So my purse is all cleaned out, and I put the things in the basket that I need to take to other places, and I'll get those taken care of. I will finish the process. And I want to take this opportunity to thank Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home for inviting me to participate in her Tiny Tidy Tuesday. This tiny tidy certainly needed doing, and now my purse is good to go and it's tidied for the week. I will link Sunday Dawn's channel in the description box so you can check her out and see the other things that the ladies that participate on her team have in store for you. In the meantime, for more homemaking and homekeeping information, click here.